Build anything with Grok 4.5. Here's how, free. Today I'm going to show you the free AI tool that can build your SEO agency for you. It's brand new, it's free right now, and it's ridiculously easy to use. No coding, no tech skills, just you talking, and it builds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to grow your business with SEO. Let's get into it. SEO is how people find your business online, and today I'm showing you a free tool that can build your entire SEO business for you. It's the big news. A brand new AI model called Grok 4.5 just came out from XAI on July 8th. And right now, for a limited time, you can use it for free inside a tool called Grok Build. It's not just a chatbot. It builds things, websites, dashboards, whole workflows, all from one simple tool. Let's get into the actual details because this is more than a small update. Grok 4.5 was trained specifically for coding, for handling long multi-step tasks, and for knowledge work, not just casual conversation. XAI says it was even trained alongside Cursor, one of the most popular AI coding tools out there, which is part of why it's so good at building real working software. On top of that, it runs fast. XAI says it responds at around 80 tokens per second and uses roughly half the steps that comparable AI models need to solve the same task. That means less waiting around for it to finish building. It's also priced low compared to other top AI models at $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens, which matters if you ever move past the free trial and start using it regularly. And it's not just for websites and apps. Inside tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, Grok 4.5 can build out spreadsheets with formulas, design slide decks, and write documents for you. One quick note before we go further. This free access is only available for a limited time inside Grok Build and Cursor. It's not permanent. And it's also not available in the EU just yet. So if this interests you, don't wait too long to try it. Most people think this is just another AI model update. They're missing the real story. The real story is this. You don't need to pay and you don't need to know how to code to build real tools for your business. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step, using ideas straight from the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's talk about the tool itself. Grok Build is what actually does the building. Think of it like this. It's a helper that turns your words into a working app, website, or file. You type what you want, it builds it, no setup, no plugins, just type and go. You open it up, you type a sentence describing what you want, and it starts working. It can write the code, it can design the layout, it can even organize files for you. If something isn't right, you just tell it what to change in plain English, and it fixes it. That's the whole workflow. Type, review, fix, done. No developer needed, no expensive software, just a conversation with an AI that knows how to build. And one more thing, before we keep going, if you're building all this with AI, but nobody is finding you online, you've got a traffic problem, not a tool problem. That's where SEO comes in. All the workflows I'm about to show you are more powerful when people can actually find you on Google. So if you want more leads, more traffic, and more people finding your business online, my team can help. Book a free SEO strategy session using the link in the comments and description below, and let us handle the SEO and backlink side of things while you focus on running your business. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, on AI, on automation, on SEO, and connect with other people building the same kind of business, that's exactly what we built the AI Profit Boardroom for. It's our community for exactly this. You can find the link for that in the description too. Okay, let's get back into it. Now let's get into real examples. These are workflows straight from the AI Profit Boardroom, so you can see exactly how this fits an SEO or AI automation business. Workflow 1, build an SEO agency website in minutes. This workflow turns a simple idea into a full working website with pages for services and pricing. Perfect if you're starting an SEO or AI automation agency and need a site fast. Here's the prompt. Build a landing page for an SEO agency called AI Profit Boardroom. Include a homepage, a services page, listing SEO and AI automation, a pricing section, an FAQ, and a contact form. Make the design clean, modern, and focused on getting visitors to book a free strategy call. The result: Grok Build creates a working website with all those pages ready to publish so you can start getting SEO leads the same day. Workflow 2, build a lead magnet that brings in SEO leads on autopilot. This workflow researches your audience's biggest problems, then turns that research into a free resource that captures emails and leads. Here's the prompt. Research the top SEO and AI automation pain points for small business owners. Create a short checklist that solves one of those problems. Then build a landing page with a download form and a thank you page that leads to booking a free SEO strategy call. The result: You get a lead magnet, a working landing page, and a simple path from download to booked call, all built without touching code. Workflow 3, build a content system for SEO content faster. This workflow takes the guesswork out of publishing SEO content by researching topics and organizing the whole process in one place. Here's the prompt. Research the latest SEO and AI trends this week. Summarize the top 3 stories, write a short script for each one, and suggest SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. Then build a simple dashboard where I can track every piece of content. The result, a repeatable system for SEO content, plus a dashboard to keep every video or post organized in one place. Workflow 4, build a client onboarding system for your SEO agency. This workflow takes new client information and turns it into a clear plan and tracking system, so nothing falls through the cracks. Here's the prompt. A new SEO client just filled out an intake form. Create a project roadmap, a checklist of first steps, and a simple summary of automation opportunities for their business. Then build a dashboard to track their onboarding progress. The result, a clear onboarding plan and a dashboard so every new SEO client feels taken care of from day one. Workflow 5, build an SEO proposal that actually converts. This workflow takes a new inquiry and turns it into a proposal with pricing and a timeline ready to send. Here's the prompt. A business wants help with SEO and backlinks. Look at what they've told us. Suggest 3 ways SEO could help their traffic. Then build a simple proposal page with pricing, a timeline, and a button to book a free strategy call. The result, a proposal page you can send in minutes instead of hours, built to get more calls booked. I want to be straight with you. Grok 4.5 is new. The free access through Grok Build is for a limited time, so it could change. If SEO tools like this interest you, test it now while it's free and see what you can build for your own business. Before you go, a couple of things. If you're completely new to SEO and want to build a solid foundation alongside all these AI tools, we've got you covered. How content strategy works, how to approach link building the right way, what a good keyword actually looks like. We put together a free SEO course with over 260 lessons, and it covers everything you need to get started, from the very basics all the way through to more advanced strategy. It's completely free, and it's sitting right there in the description below. So if any part of SEO still feels confusing, or you just want to learn it properly instead of guessing, go check that out. There's no reason not to, since it costs you nothing and could save you months of trial and error. The link is below. Go grab it. And if you want to go further than that, this is exactly why we built the AI Profit Boardroom. It's our community for people who are serious about using AI to grow a real SEO or automation business, not just messing around with tools for fun. Inside, we share the exact workflows like the ones I walked you through today, often before anyone outside the community sees them. You'll find other business owners building the same kind of thing you are. Real conversations about what's actually working right now, and a place to ask questions when you get stuck instead of figuring it out alone. If you're tired of learning AI by yourself, piecing things together from random videos, this is the shortcut. Come join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. The link is in the description below. Now, if you've built all this with AI and you're still not showing up on Google, that's a traffic problem, not a tool problem. That's exactly what my team helps with. We handle the SEO and backlink side, so your site actually ranks and brings in the traffic you built all of this for. Book a free SEO strategy session using the link in the comments and description, and let's talk about getting your business found on Google. That's it for today. If this helped you, drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to build first. Julian reads every single one. I'll see you in the next video.